In today's video, we'll be learning about the applications of the system of equations process. Mike sells one apple for $3 while Peter sells one orange for $2. If Mike and Peter make $18 altogether after selling 7 fruits in total, how many apples does Mike sell and how many oranges does Peter sell? So in order to solve this problem, we first have to relate the amount of dollars that Mike and Peter sold. So we know that Mike sells one apple for $3, right? So we can do 3x, that's our first expression, but now we have to do plus something so that we can make that that equation equal to 18. So we know that Mike sells $3 per apple, and x is the amount of apples he sells. So plus, now we know that Peter sells one orange for $2. So 2 times the amount of oranges he sells, which in this case we can just make y. And that is all equal to, as said in here, $18, because they make $18 altogether. Next, we know that they sell 7 fruits in total. So that means x plus y, right? The amount of fruits they each sell is equal to 7. So now we've completed the hard part. Now all we have to do is to solve for the system of equations variables. In this case, it doesn't matter what variable we solve for, since we have to know we're trying to solve for the amount of apples and the amount of oranges. So let's just do the bottom equation. So then we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 18, and then the bottom changes. Negative 2x, negative 2y is equal to negative 14. We solve this and we obtain a value of 4, and we get lucky since we don't have to do any more multiplication or division. So we can then plug this number back in to one of the equations here. Since the bottom equation is easier to plug it in, we'll use the bottom equation. So now we subtract 4 on both sides and we obtain an answer of y is equal to 3. Now what do these numbers actually mean? Well, in the beginning we said that x refers to the amount of apples Mike sells. So that means he sells 4 apples. Now y refers to the amount of oranges Peter sells. So that means 3 oranges. So now this is our answer then. 4 apples and 3 oranges. However, there is actually another way we could have solved for this. We could have solved for y. And that would be plugging 4 back into the other equation. So if you plug it back into this equation here, we would get the same answer. And just to prove that, I'll do it right now. So then we get 12 plus 2y is equal to 18. 2y is equal to 6. And y is equal to 3. So we get the same answer. And then, of course, again, we can rewrite it as 4 apples and 3 oranges. There we go. So that was the system of equations applications process. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.